friends? Am I even a friend? Hello there, internet friends. I'm your host Swagata, and in today's video, I'm going to share the world of meme coins with you. The world that is hilarious and sometimes chaotic. These quirky cryptocurrencies have been taking the internet by storm, leaving many wondering what exactly are they. Buckle up, because in the next few minutes, we will break down meme coins in simple terms, covering everything from what they are to how to buy them. Imagine if your favorite meme, like the ever iconic Doge, decided to become a digital currency. That's basically what a meme coin is. They are cryptocurrencies inspired by internet jokes and pop culture references, adding a punchline to the world of finance. They are digital assets built on blockchain technology, just like Bitcoin or Ethereum, but with a light-hearted twist. Think of them as cryptocurrencies with a side of humor. Most meme coins hitch a ride on existing blockchains, like Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain, kind of like how your little cousin tags along on your adventures. This means they benefit from the security and infrastructure of these established platforms, while adding their own unique flavor. Think of sprinkles on your ice cream, but in the digital currency world. Just like other cryptocurrencies, you can buy, sell, and trade meme coins on cryptocurrency exchanges. But remember, investing in any cryptocurrency, including meme coins, is like playing a game of Jenga. Fun, but with the potential for hilarious or disastrous consequences. Getting your paws on a meme coin involves creating an account on a cryptocurrency exchange that supports the specific meme coin you're interested in. After verifying your account and funding it with some fiat, that's fancy talk for regular money, you can search for the meme coin and place a buy order. But remember, investing in meme coins is like adopting a Shiba Inu puppy. Cute but full of surprises. So do your research and invest responsibly. The meme coin zoo is a wild place. You have got the grandpa of them all, Dogecoin, inspired by the Doge meme. The Shiba Inu pup taking the internet by storm with Shiba Inu, and even Floki Inu named after Elon Musk's dog. Because of course it is. These are just a few of the many meme coins out there, each of their own tail to wag. See what I did there? Meme coins often have strong online communities that rally behind them, kind of like a giant online fan club. This can fuel their popularity and send their prices to the moon, or at least try to. They can also be a fun and easy way for beginners to dip their toes into the world of cryptocurrency, like training wheels for the wild ride of crypto investing. However, meme coins are as stable as a toddler on a sugar rush, so proceed with caution. Unlike their more established cryptocurrency cousins, meme coin often lack the underlying technology or real-world application, basically the techie stuff that makes them valuable. Their value can be heavily influenced by hype and fleeting trends, making them more like a viral video than a reliable investment. In other words, investing in meme coins is like taking a gamble on a roulette wheel, labeled with internet jokes. It's exciting, but the odds might not always be in your favor. Meme coins offer a unique and entertaining perspective on the world of cryptocurrency. While they can be a fun way to get involved, always remember to approach them with a healthy dose of skepticism and a sprinkle of caution. That's it for now, but before going, do leave a like, as it really encourages us to make more videos like this. And also comment below what is your favorite meme coin. Lastly, if you haven't pressed that subscribe button yet, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Crypto Purity.